Here's a quick and easy tutorial of how to make charcoal pencils at your forest school. First, you will need to peel the bark off your stick using a knife. Peeling the bark off is the difference between artist charcoal pencils and regular charcoal pencils. Some people will prefer to use willow, however you can use any stick that you would like. Once you have finished peeling your sticks, it's time to measure against the tin. To do this, you'll want to place the stick inside the tin and chop with a secateurs. This is to ensure that our lid or foil can be placed neatly on top. You'll want to pack your charcoal pencils in as tightly as possible, as this allows for the process to work better. Once all of your charcoal pencils are in, you'll want to cover with foil and use a stick to place a hole in the top. This will allow for all the steam and wood gases to escape. With your mini kiln ready, it's time to put it on the fire. With your mini charcoal kiln, you'll want to use a fire glove to place it in the centre of hot coals. You can also begin to add some logs or charcoal around the outside for a bit of security and for extra heat. The first step in the charcoal cooking process, all the moisture in the wood will evaporate. You'll see steam coming from the hole in your kiln. Next, the wood gases will start to release and these can catch on fire. When the fire in your kiln finally goes out, that's when it's ready to take off the heat to cool. Once cooled, your charcoal pencils are ready to be used or turned into something new. If you'd like to see how to make these charcoal pencil holders, make sure to come back for the next video and subscribe.